let's learn how to get our support and resistance levels. First, you need to choose the time frame of support and resistance you want to determine. So there is the monthly chart over here, there's the weekly chart, the daily chart, the 4 hours chart, the 1 hour chart, the 15 minutes chart, and the 5 minutes chart. So do not get too overwhelmed by the different time frames. They are mainly providing more zoom in details of the price activity for that period of time. So you can see over here, you have the monthly time frame. You can see a very broad macro view over a few years of how price behaves. And if you were to zoom in into this region on the weekly time frame chart, you can see that you get more granular details of how price behaves during this period. And if you were to zoom in further into this small section of price action, you can see more fine details on the daily time frame chart. So after you have choose your time frame to draw your support and resistance, you want to find the levels by looking for clear A, whereby there's a price of up candle close and price of down candle open, and a V, where it's the price of a down candle close and a up candle open on the line chart. So A is where we look for resistance, and V is where we look for support level. So a common misconception is that people will determine their support and resistance from the candlestick high or low price level. So remember, it's important that you do not draw your support and resistance from the candlestick high or low price level. So for example, this is a Bitcoin monthly chart. I have plotted the line chart as well as the candlestick chart over here. So first we want to look for the resistance, which will form a price of an up candle close and a price of the down candle open. So here you can see that there's A on the line chart, and this is a resistance. And for the support, we want to look for a V shape, whereby it's the price of the down candle close and an up candle open. So here you can see a down candle close and an up candle open, and on the line chart you can see there's a V shape. So here is another support, and here it's a bit hard to see, but if you were to stretch the price range bigger, you will most likely see a V shape as well. And over here you can see there's another V shape as well, which is another potential monthly support level too. I have to emphasize that it's very important when you use SnR not to just buy at support and sell at resistance. Although that is the idea of support and resistance, is to buy at support and sell resistance, you do not want to just do it blindly. You want to wait and observe how price react at support or resistance before you buy or sell, because price can simply break support or resistance. That's why you want to wait for price to show signs that it is reacting off a support or resistance level before you make any buying or selling decision. So remember to look for signs before making any decision to buy or sell off support and resistance. This is very important.